Yo, BJ Gaddour here, and get ready for an amazing BFR 10-minute band arms workout. This will blow your mind. We need a light resistance band, either an orange or red, a hand towel, which we'll use for the first two movements. You can do all the way through because they're super joint friendly, especially if you have elbow pain with that neutral hammer grip. And then the same PVC pipe or stick we've been using, because in the subsequent supersets, we're gonna be changing up our grip, going bis, tris, 1 minute of work, 15 seconds of rest, 4 total supersets in that manner, okay? So we're gonna get started here. I've got my towel positioned like this, nice and good. I'm gonna be stepping on the band, and then we'll start with the overhead tricep extension. By the way, you can do all of these drills tricep push down style, which is gonna be easier than the overhead work. Overhead is already natural blood flow restriction. You add the cuffs, the BFR bands on top of that, it is next level. So here we go. I'm locked in. Exhale up, inhale down. Now pull those bands apart. It's almost like you got your own triceps rope, but we're using that hand towel for it. Get all the way out, fully extend and pull apart. Inhale down. That really helps develop the wishbone that is the triceps. Inhale down, exhale up. Good stretch. First 30 seconds for sure. Nice and slow, full range. Make sure we get full contraction at the top, full stretch at the bottom. Keep those elbows nice and in. You can use this the whole time. That feels good. Let's start pumping them out. Exhale up, inhale down. Oh, it's already kicking in, isn't it? It's already kicking in. Got to give that tricep the right amount of love because it's 2/3 of the upper arm. So no matter how much bicep work you do, your arms will never look great unless your triceps are tricked out. We're talking those horseshoes, baby. Trick them out. Oh, now keep in mind, the band is more stretched in the overhead position, so you're gonna have to go really wide with your stance probably to get the same level of tension and difficulty in the biceps. So really wide sumo stance, keep it apart, and here we go. Exhale up, inhale down. Smooth, full range at first. Oh yeah, baby. Gun show. Gotta love working those guns, those pythons, baby. Inhale down, exhale up. Get a good pump going. You want more tension, just keep widening out the feet. You're almost gonna be in like a Jean-Claude Van Damme splits position at the end of it. Oh, baby. Pump it, full range. Now we can add a little more pump. That's the beauty of the bands. You can go slow, you can go fast. All of it's very joint friendly. Peak tension and peak contraction. Let's go. You can play with just right there, pulsing at the top where you got that peak tension. Oh man, did this become an OnlyFans video just now? I know it looks sexual, but we gotta get those guns going. Beautiful, okay. So put that to the side. Now you can go.